Hi riders! Today I'll show you how to pair the tire pressure monitor system. First, tap the settings icon on the screen. Go to the settings menu. Find the TPMS icon, tap front tire match. It will show front tire matching. Now, attach the sensor to the front wheel's valve stem. It will pair automatically. Once paired successfully, you'll see a message saying front tire paired on the screen. Repeat the same steps for the rear tire. After pairing is complete, you can view the tire pressure readings on the TPMS screen. To ensure safe riding, we need to set tire pressure limits. Tap the settings icon at the top right corner. Here, you can set the maximum and minimum tire pressure limits. Select the value you want to adjust. Slide to set your desired limit, and then tap Save. If the tire pressure goes above or below this range, the screen will show a tire pressure alert message. Please check your tires promptly to ensure accurate readings. After installing the tire pressure sensors, apply a little soapy water on them to check for any air leaks.